Good morning, class. I hope you all are well, staying safe at home. Good morning, students. Today we will study from our English language book, that is Universal Grammar. Open lesson number 9, page number 29. Okay? Write down classwork over here. Put the date, that is 3rd September 2020. Okay, class, today we will study lesson number 9, that is personal and neutral pronouns. Class, firstly I will tell you about what is pronoun. Pronoun is a word that is used in place of noun. Okay, like I am a girl, I am Antra. Okay, so I am a girl, I is a pronoun. I am Antra. I am defining myself as I. I is pronoun. Okay, like she is a girl, she is Madhuri. Okay, see, I am a girl. It can be anyone, like me, Antara, Rita, Smita, anyone. Like you are a boy, it can be anyone, any boy, like Laksh, Ayush, any boy. She is my sister, her name might be Aprajita, Hina, anyone. Okay, they are my parents, we are Indians. He is my brother. I, you, she, they, we, he, they all are pronoun which is used in place of some noun. Okay, now let's read it. We already know that pronouns are noun replacing words. Yes, we already know that pronoun replaces noun. प्रोनाउन जो है वो नाउन को हटा देता है, उसकी जगह पे हम प्रोनाउन यूज करते हैं. वी यूज पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस फॉर 3 kinds of person. Person speaking. Personal pronoun we use for 3 kinds of person. That is, number 1 is first person, number 2 is second person, and number 3 is third person. And the first person is the person who is speaking. Like right now I am speaking. अभी मैं बात कर रही हूँ. So I am a first person. I am the first person. And what are they? I, we, us, me. They all are first person. Person spoken to. Like this. She is saying, you are a boy. I am speaking with someone. मैं किसी से बात कर रही हूँ. There are 2 person. You, yours. These are used for second person, means person spoken. And person spoken about means I am we two person are talking about the third person. Means 2 लोग बात करते हैं किसी तीसरे लोगों के लिए, किसी तीसरे के लिए. So that is he, she, they, him, her, them, and etc. Okay, and these all are I, you, she, they, we, he. They all are used in first person means personal pronoun. Okay, and personal pronoun are of three kinds of person, that is person speaking, person spoken to, and person spoken about. Okay class, now let's see what is neutral pronoun. Open next page, that is page number 30. It is a neutral pronoun and we use it to talk of a thing, infant, animal, or some action. Okay, in neutral pronoun we use it. And what are neutral pronouns? Non-living things like table, chair, anything it can be. Okay, and it can be used for a baby also. Infant means a small baby like this, and it will be using for animals also. It okay, or some action like it is my pet, it is raining outside, it is heavy, it is broken. These all are non-living things. It is my pet, it is raining outside, it is heavy, it is broken. Something has been broken in the table, this load is too heavy for him. Outside it is raining, it is my pet. Okay class, now take out your copy, classwork copy, English language copy. Write down classwork, put the date, that is 3rd September 2020. Lesson number 9, personal and neutral pronouns. Write down the definition of pronoun. Pronoun is a word that is used in place of nouns. Example, he, she, it, they, I, we, you, etc. And etc. means many more. Okay, homework. Learn and write 5 sentences of pronouns from lesson number 9. See, I'm going to show your homework like this. I am a girl, you are a boy, she is my sister, it is my pet, it is broken. You can write these examples in your copy. Okay class, that's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.